Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize Linktree Starter Account. To begin, open your Linktree admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage both the appearance of your page and the links or social items you want visitors to see. Once you're inside the admin area, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Design. This section is where you can control the overall look and feel of your Linktree. Inside Design, first click on Theme. Here you can review the visual style options available for your starter account. Choosing the right theme helps set the tone for your page, whether you want it to feel clean, bold, minimal, or more expressive. After that, click on Header. The header section is typically where you adjust the top portion of your profile, which helps shape the first impression visitors get when they open your Linktree. Next, click on Wallpaper. This area lets you customize the background or visual backdrop of your page. A good wallpaper can make your page feel more polished and on-brand, but it's also helpful to keep readability in mind so your links stay easy to see. Then click on Colors. In this section, you can fine-tune the color palette of your page. Color choices can make a big difference, so it's usually best to aim for a combination that matches your style while still keeping strong contrast for clarity. Once you've reviewed those design settings, return to the Linktree admin area. Now we're moving from appearance to adding content. Click on Add to begin creating a new item for your page. From the options that appear, choose Social. This is where Linktree offers social platform-related items you can add to your profile. In the search field, type in Highlight. This helps narrow the available options so you can quickly find the item you need. When the relevant results appear, click on WhatsApp Groups. This will add that item into your Linktree setup so it can be configured and displayed on your page. After it has been added, click on the Highlight item in your links area. Then click on Highlight again as you continue into its settings. Finally, click on Highlight one more time to complete the selection and finalize that part of the customization flow. At this stage, you've gone through the main starter account customization process, including the design sections and the addition of a social highlight element. If needed, take a moment to review your page afterward to make sure everything looks the way you want and is easy for visitors to navigate.